Busy parents want to know that their child is in a safe and supportive environment every day before and after school. That's why Extended Student Services exists.
In Lakeside, we are 100% committed to making sure that every student has the most amazing experience from the moment they get here in the morning till the moment they leave in the evening. And our ESS is no exception. So our ESS here is not just a daycare waiting for the kids to be picked up, but our kids here, they're doing art, they're doing music, they're doing games, they're doing cooking, they're doing all kinds of amazing things. Our staff here is really second to none, and they're making sure that our kids have just the most amazing experience after the bell rings until they go home at night.
The ESS staff here are amazing. They're just like really super nice and caring, and you can really tell that they care about every single one of us.
I really like the staff here. They're very, very nice. They like to play games with you. They don't just sit down and tell you what to do.
And we keep them busy, keep them engaged, keep them thinking. We do tutoring, sports, academic activities. We really focus on the kids, what they like to do in this program, and they're our #1 reason why we're here.
It's very fun here, and I love it.
You can really just let your imagination run.
I've been a part of Extended Student Services ever since I was in elementary school. When I got the opportunity to direct my own program, I wanted to create so much more than just an after-school program.
So Jerred has brought his own unique vision, I think, to this program that really raised it up a notch or 2 or 10.
We have 8 directors and nearly 100 line staff that have dedicated so much to the children. They come to me every week with new ideas, fresh ideas of how we can build this program.
Jerred is very hands-on. He likes to be with the kids. He wants to be involved in what we're doing. He's excited. He's very supportive. We come up with an idea that we would like to do in our center. He runs with it. What can he do to get it started? What can he go out and make?
Jerred is the best thing that has happened to ESS programs.
Jerred is always thinking of new things that he can do with the kids, thinking outside the box, thinking of ways to bring kids in, to engage them, to make them excited about ESS. And our program was always good, but with Jerred's leadership, it's just gone to a totally new level.
The biggest reward you can have in this program is to have a little child come up to you with big bright eyes and arms wide open and say, "Thank you, Mr. Murph." To me, there's no greater reward. We are here for the children, and we need to make sure that not only they, but their families know that we are here for them as well.
So what you see here in our ESS program is just one more example of the kinds of things you're going to see in every corner of Lakeside Union School District. Every classroom, every school site, we do whatever it takes to make sure the kids think that school is the very best thing in their whole lives, and we're super, super proud of it.